What are you doing?
Look up here. Look up here.
You got letters? You got letters in there? Is that a letter A? Yeah.
Say F.
Good enough?
Say S.
What is that? Oh, man.
Look at there. You got me led. Say T.
I think when she does start talking plain English, she's going to have a lot to say.
Yeah.
Oh, no, baby. Oh, no. Don't cough, don't cough. Don't cough, don't cough. Don't cough, don't cough.